Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi launched a sharp attack on India's education system in Kota, calling it a rejection system and an extortion machine that places heavy financial and emotional pressure on students and their families. Addressing students at the Chhatro Ki Goonj rally, Gandhi said the current system pushes young people towards a limited number of career paths, including NEET, JEE, UPSC, SSC and RRB, while leaving little room for other aspirations. He said that the system forces lakhs of students to spend heavily on education and coaching despite very low success rates. Citing NEET, he said around 22 lakh students appear for the exam but less than 1 lakh secure admission. Gandhi also alleged that students appearing for NEET collectively spent around 1.32 lakh crore rupees, an amount he said was comparable to the Union Education Ministry's budget. The Congress leader added that unemployment among engineering graduates remained high and called for reforms to reduce dependence on high-pressure competitive examinations. Speaking in Kota, where nearly 1.2 lakh students are preparing for NEET and JEE, Gandhi interacted with aspirants and their parents about the cost of education, career goals, and job prospects. The Congress will hold a nationwide campaign on education issues, demanding accountability over paper leaks and other concerns. The campaign is scheduled to travel to cities including Allahabad, Patna and Delhi through Congress-affiliated student and youth organizations.
मैं चाहता हूं कि हम सब एक साथ मिलकर we work together to ensure that no student in this crowd, no student in this country ever feels what this young lady felt, ever feels the desire to kill themselves. That is what this meeting is about. This meeting is not a political meeting. It is about discussing India's education system, what is wrong with India's education system, what needs to be corrected in India's education system. Whatever I'm going to present here is based on data, and I'm absolutely sure, 100% sure, that every single political party, every single leader in India will accept what we are saying here. There is nothing in this presentation that anybody in India will not accept. Every single student will accept what I'm going to say here because it is the truth, 100% the truth.